Tinokuchingamidza zvakare panapa paHarare Networks pamunenge muchipiwawo nhau dziri kuitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Kudzoka kwatiri kuita ari mandero akanaka tichiti don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Yes, keep on support our YouTube channel kuitira kuti munge muchinzwa nhau dzinenge dzichiitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Chino chivhitivhiti chinenge chichipakura zviri pachena. Naizvozvo tiri takatakura susu musoro wenyaya wekuzivisa kuti Nelson Chamisa slams 2030 agenda warns of a threat to democracy in Zimbabwe. Ndo mashoko ari kubvawo kune vangamba mutungamiri weCitizen Coalition for Change vaadvocate Nelson Chamisa avo vari kushoropodza bato reZANU-PF pamwe chete nekudzvanyirirwa kuri kuitwa kodzero dzevanhu mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Naizvozvo zvapa kuti ringe chiburiswa mupepanhau mushure mekunge vakaita interview nevamwe vemadzipepanhau ari mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Nelson Chamisa aimbova mutungamiri weCitizen Coalition for Change has launched a sharp attack on the controversial 2030 agenda linked to efforts to extend Emmerson Mnangagwa's tenure, warning that the proposed constitutional amendments could undermine Zimbabwe's democracy. Speaking to journalists on Wednesday, Chamisa said the term 2030 agenda promoted by ZANU-PF is a manipulative political narrative designed to disguise deeper constitutional threats. Vanotsinira pamashoko aya vaadvocate Nelson Chamisa vachiti, I do not want to be boxed in the language of ZANU-PF. They invented the 2030 narrative and I will not frame my message around it, Chamisa said. He added that his previous reference to the year 2050 was a deliberate illustration of the dangers posed by the amendments. Vantaura zvakare mashoko vachiti, I could have said 2099. It is a dramatic way to show the sinister intention behind those proposals. They risk turning Zimbabwe into a ruin with those dangerous constitutional changes, he said. Chamisa added that the amendment go far beyond the technical legal adjustment, representing a direct threat to democratic governance. The proposed constitutional changes represent a broader attempt to undermine democratic process, he said, warning that they effectively act as a blanket ban on election. He dismissed the suggestion that he needs intermediaries to communicate his message to supporters. Those who follow me understand the message and its consequences. They send me to speak because they know the risk, Chamisa said. Chamisa accused the ruling party or ZANU-PF of manipulating institutions and the opposition structures to weaken legitimate political alternative. He questioned why political party funding under the Finance Act has shifted from opposition figures such as Thokozani Kupe and Douglas Ngonzora to Sengezo Shabangu, calling it abnormal and deliberate. He said the push for constitutional amendment is a clear evidence that ZANU-PF fears facing votes in free election. What other message do we need to expect that they have always feared losing to the opposition, Chamisa said. Chamisa reflected on the personal cost for his political stance, emphasizing that he has remained principled despite persecution. I bear multiple scars for standing principle, focused and consistent. I have not received loans from ZANU-PF. I do not have a farm. Ndo mamwe mashoko akataurwa naadvocate Nelson Chamisa. Vanotaura zvakare uyezvo vachiramba rumors of private meeting with President Emmerson Mnangagwa, noting that the only times they were present at the same event were inauguration in Gaborone and Lusaka, where they did not meet. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda kubva kuna advocate Nelson Chamisa dzinova dziri nhau dzanga tichikupai pano paHarare Networks, tichitenda susu nokuya kwese kwamaita. Don't forget to subscribe and support our YouTube channel.